Hello everyone, my name is Josh. I'm a digital design and manufacturing instructor here at the Fab School. Today I'm going to be going over a quick unboxing and just a general overview of the new scanners we have here at the school. Pretty cool technology. I use scanning a lot here at the school and in other contract work I do, so I'm a big fan of scanning. We've been playing around with these a little bit. This is a brand new one. Just going to show you initially what's going to come in the box if you get one of these Einstar scanners like we're running here. So you're going to get a nice carrying case. Important to protect your scanner. It's an expensive piece of equipment, so you want a nice case to protect it. So when we open that up, first thing we're going to see, we have our actual scanner here. So I'm going to take it out. Something you want to be careful of around the lens. You don't want to get any scratches on there, anything like that. That's going to mess up your scanning. So these really nice scanners from Einstar, just initial build quality looking at it, a good quality product. And I've gotten to play around with them a little bit already, so done a little scanning and I've been pretty happy with them. Next thing you're going to get is a cable that goes to your scanner, from your scanner to your laptop, and that's going to be able to transfer that scan data. This is a power cord, so you're going to need power to run the scanner. Additional stuff that comes in here with these handheld scanners of this nature, they require calibrating periodically. So for max accuracy, you're going to want to calibrate it. If I'm going for max accuracy, I will calibrate right before I do that scan, but you can get away with going, a couple weeks without doing this. So these plates are very important. They have RFID on them, and these dots are put in a specific orientation on here that's set to your scanner, and that's what allows it to orient itself in space and create those 3D models that are dimensioned properly. You want to be careful with this. You don't want to lose these. So it's a tough thing to get a replacement on these. I think Einstar, they make it pretty easy to get a replacement, but historically with scanners, this is a piece you don't want to lose. So keep that in there protected. Comes with a shoulder strap as well, which is nice. If you're doing a lot of scanning, it might get kind of tiring after a while holding stuff up, or you might want to just let it kind of hang at your side for a second. So you get that with it. These also come with a few tracking dots and a lens cloth. So you want to use this style of cloth on the lens. Like I was saying, definitely don't want to scratch that lens. That's how it's capturing all that surface. So any types of scratches on there is going to mess with that capture. And these tracking dots are important for these style of handheld scanners. It helps them track and orient on the part. So you're going to need to use these. So it's nice of them to include some. Otherwise, you could just buy more of these on Amazon or straight from Einstar, whoever you want to get them at. Other than that, that's going to be what pretty much comes in the box right out the gate. And you got, other than needing your laptop and some software, you have everything you need right here to basically start scanning right away.